Okay, I got a quick video on how to propagate succulents. I actually went out today and I bought a few of these from, was it Home Depot? Yeah, they're the orange ones. Yeah, I bought these from Home Depot. I got lucky. They were $1.75 a piece. Um, Even this big chocolate soldier. I got this one that looks like Shrek's ears. I don't know what it's called. And this cutie right here. But I wanted to put them all together in a pot that I have. This cute little pot right here. It looks like a southwestern design. It has little holes on the side, so it looks like I could hang it up or something. But I also have some succulents that, some little cuttings that I was going to use. And for a while I was putting them flat on dirt and I was waiting for them to grow little new growth. It was taking forever. I don't have that kind of patience. So I went and I decided to put them in some water and see what happens. And instead, what I did to get them to grow is I didn't put them directly in the water. I didn't let the water touch. I just let them have the, what's the word I want to use? The knowledge that there is water around, but they can't touch it yet. That's what I did. So I just put that much water right here at the top. And I went and got some saran wrap to put around here so that they didn't fall in, and I bust little holes so I could put them in place. And I mean, I think I did this earlier this week. I didn't even think it hasn't even been that long. It hasn't even been a whole week yet, I don't think. And they are starting to root already. Nice. So I mean, they're just basically growing off the condensation, I guess you could say. I don't know whether when they touch the actual water, well, I think at some point they're supposed to touch the actual water, but I want the root system to grow stronger before I put them in the dirt. Look at that. That's some new growth. Can you see that? I don't think y'all can see that. I don't know. My phone got cracks in there. I can't even see through the darn cracks in my phone. But, yeah. So, maybe on this one you can see the new growth a little better. You see that? So, yeah, they're rooting up pretty good. And I'm waiting for them to... This one didn't root yet. This one either. I guess more so. It also depends on what species it is. Some grow faster and better than others. But that's just something to do if you want your little succulents to grow faster. And if you go over your friend's house and they got some succulents and the leaves are falling off and they're just disrespecting them and throwing them in the trash, you're like, no, girl, let me get that for you. I'm going to take care of it for you. So, that's just something I want to share with you guys. Let me see this one. Well, this looks good. Uh-oh. Yeah, see? It's growing so fast. So if you have any questions, leave them below. Like, subscribe, share a video, because y'all don't do that. Share a video. I need to make new friends. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Okay. Take it easy.